Yeah, guys, can you hear me, right? Can you please confirm?
Yeah,
Are you
yeah.
able to see my
Yeah,
screen?
yes, we can hear.
Okay, good, good. Okay, guys, we know what is manual. We already done with 30 days class with the manual. We know what we need to do in the manual, right? So before start automation, can anyone tell me what is the difference between manual testing and automation testing? Can anyone? What is meaning of automation testing means what? Anyone?
Yeah, manual is
Uh-huh.
automation was done by with any programming language, but in manual we don't use any programming language. It is
Yes,
done by
yes. Yes, good. So that clarity is very, very important. But do not say, I want to learn automation, I want to learn Selenium. So please don't use these two words. Some people are still confused. They ask me, can you please tell me automation? Can you please teach me Selenium? What is Selenium? What is automation? So before start anything automation, at least understand what is automation means what. So general terminologies. Manual means what? Without using any tools. I'm not using any tools. Okay, that kind of testing we can call it as what? Manual testing. You are opening your own browser. See, I'm opening my Chrome browser. If I want to open the Chrome browser, I need to manually, I need to enter the Chrome browser. I need to click the Chrome browser. So this will comes on where? Manual testing. Suppose automation testing. Automation means what? We need to use some tools or some scripts. Okay. So based on that, it will be work. Okay. Suppose if I automate the launching the browser means I just write some script. If I press enter button, like I press run button, it automatically launches the Chrome browser. It automatically launches the Firefox browser, whatever it may be. It purely depends on your script and your tool. Okay. So the main important thing is what? Do not say my friend is joining automation, so that's the reason I'm joining. Don't use these all words. Try to understand the concept. It's very, very, very important. What is automation and what is manual? Simple. No need to read the definition. No need to go search for the definitions. Okay. Manual testing is we are not using any tools or any scripts. Okay. When you're talking about automation means what? We are using what? We are using some tools and scripts. So that is very, very, very important. See, manual test cases are executed without support from tools or script. For manual testing, I'm not required any tools. I'm not required any script to execute the test cases. Okay. When I'm talking about automation, the name itself will be there. Automation. Automation means what? They're executed with the support from the tools or a script or a software. But with the automation, test cases are executed with the assistance of tools. Some tools are required, some scripts are required to execute the test cases or to execute anything in the automation. We required some tools. Okay, is it clear, guys? Everyone, is it clear? So what is the
yes.
difference between, yeah, what is the difference between manual testing and automation? That is very, very important. And coming to automation, okay, there are many, plenty of tools will be there in the market. Okay, don't say only Selenium. There are many, plenty of tools will be there. But why we are learning Selenium? That you need to question yourself. Why I need to learn the Selenium? Because question yourself means automatically answer will come. Okay. Why we are learning Selenium means simply I can say that it's a open source. What is meaning of commercial and open source? You need to understand these two things. What is commercial tool and what is open source tool? Open source, see the name itself will be there. Open source, without any cost, anyone can use the tool. It is the free of cost. That we can call it as what? Open source. Open source means what? I need not require any billing address. I need not give any credit card or debit card. I'm not required any things. I need not to provide any things. Okay, so we can use and we can you can use the tool, right? So that kind of things we can call it as what? Open source. And you coming to the commercial, commercial is very, very, very means commercial means what? You need to pay the license. License is very, very important for the tool. Okay, So many of the organization, what they're doing, they use what they prefer what open source only. Why? Can anyone tell me why we are using open source? Anybody have any idea why we are using open source?
To maintain
It's
cost
free of
effective.
cost.
Yeah, free of cost, that is one thing. Yes, free of cost. And one more thing you need to understand, one very important point. Don't don't say that everything will be automated. Okay, it's not easy. Okay, please try to understand the things. It's not easy to everything is automation. Okay, so before we start automation, we need to check the feasibility, whether we can do the Srinivas K, can you put mute if you don't mind? Yeah, thank you. So before using the tool, we cannot use blindly, right? We cannot use blindly. We need to check what are the feasibility, whether we can automate that future or not. There are a lot of advantages will be there. There are a lot of disadvantages will be there. Okay. I'm getting free, but I cannot use, right? I need to check whether I can use that tool or not. That is very important. Okay, there are many advantages and disadvantages will be there. Okay, so don't say that I can do 100% of automation is possible. No, it's not possible. No one cannot do 100% of automation. Then there is no manual will be there. Everything is automated means there is no manual position in this world. Manual positioning will be still there when we will do the automation. If you catch that point, your automation is very easy. We are not do automation every day, every time we are not do. When we will do the automation, regression, what is called regression? Anyone? What is meaning of regression? Anyone? Regression means what?
Once to do it checking, we are testing and it is impact on the application.
Okay, so when we will do the regression, make sure the bug is fixed or not. It should not impact rest of the modules, right? So see what developer job is, what he need to fix some code. So whenever he fix some code, what is the tester job? He need to verify that code is working properly or not, that fix is working properly or not. And also you need to check whether it is impacting any rest of the modules or not. We need to check that will comes on regression. Regression means what? We need to thoroughly, we need to do what? Regression testing. So regression testing is very important. So when we will do the automation means, in what case we will do the automation means, you can simply say that when the regression time will comes. When the regression means what? Not only regression, we can do, say, smoke testing, we can do the automation. Browser compatibility, we can do the automation, but mostly we will do what? Regression testing. Regression means what? Make sure the bug is fixed or not, and it should not impact rest of the modules. So before release, what we will do, everyone will do what? Regression testing on. I don't know how many manual people will be there. We already did, right? So manual is very important. Okay, so once the before going to the release, we will do what? Complete regression, because we need to identify the build. That is what? RC build. What is called RC? Anyone? What is called RC? RC is nothing but release candidate.
Release candidates.
Yes, that is very important. That build is what going to the market. So RC build you need to identify. This is what real time. That is what we are telling, real time process. Some people are open the notepad, they will write timings of Selenium, content of the Selenium. It is not required for us. Okay, we need required the concepts. Concepts is very important. We required pros and cons, like what is the advantages and what are the disadvantages, we need to understand. Okay, before we start automation, you need to know all the things. Okay, what is automation, what is the difference between manual testing and automation testing, you need to understand. Okay, again, one more point, I told you, right? We cannot automate everything. That keep on mind. Okay, don't say that I'm already learn automation, I can do everything as an automation, means it's not possible. Okay, we need to check whether we can automate the things or not before you start the work. You cannot say I will do. Okay, before you pick the work, you need to check the challenges, what are the challenges will be there, and how we can do, or how we need to achieve the things we need to check. Okay, so that's very, very important. And we already discussed what is the open source and what is the commercial. So open source means anyone can use and anyone can download and anyone can use. But what is the problem of open source? There is no vendor support. Suppose you are facing any issue, right? Whom you will ask? You cannot ask anyone, right? So what you need to do, what do you need to do in that case? You need to depend on there are a lot of selenium communities will be there. You can search into the Google, automatically they will post the answers. Okay, there are a lot of many people are face the same issue, right? So they will give the solutions for that one. So you need to understand the solution and you need to try it again. So that is very, very important. Learning selenium is very easy, that's not a big deal, but how I need to survey, that is very, very important. If I got any issue while I'm doing the scripting, while I'm running the execution of the script, I'm getting some issues, whom I need to ask, where I need to check. So these all are very, very important. Okay, if you Google it, automatically the solution will come, because the some people is already having the same problem, right? The solution will come, that you need to check the solution and you need to customize according to your requirement. So that is very, very important. Try to understand the things. Okay, so it's a open source means anyone can download and anyone can use. Okay, commercial means I told you, right? We need to pay that one. Okay, see, selenium, no one will ask who invented this one and all the things. Okay, try to understand, always you need to open the one website. Okay, selenium, if you seleniumhq.org, previously selenium dev will be there. Whenever you are doing automation or anything, initial stage, learning stage, now you are what in what stage you are in? Learning stage. Always you need to open this site. What is that site name? Is what? selenium.hq.org. You always keep this site separately, because everything will be given in this site. No need to refer any notes, no need to ask, give the notes and all the things. Okay, so everything will be provided in this website. So you need to keep separately with the one browser, separate one tab with the selenium.hq.org. Okay, so what is selenium? See, selenium is automates the browsers. By using of selenium, what we can do is we can automate Chrome browser, we can automate Firefox browser, we can automate Edge Chrome browser. What are the browsers we have? We can automate all the browsers. Understanding, right? So selenium means what? We can simply say that the selenium will be automates the browsers. Okay, you can automate any kind of browsers. Okay, so again, here the documentation will be there. If you want to go with in depth, you can go with this one. Okay, and one more thing, just this site is always important. Okay, see, the selenium is a suite of software tools used to automate the web browsers. Okay, in case anyone asks you what we will do with the selenium, means you can simply say them, selenium is a suite of software tools used to automates the web browsers. I can automate the Chrome browser, I can automate the Firefox, I can automate the Edge Chrome, I can automate the all the browsers. What are the given the browsers we can automate. Okay, and looking back of selenium, see, when the selenium is released, no one will ask you. Okay, 2004, and it started journey of 2004. Okay, and after that, now the selenium 4 is already there. Okay, now coming to, there are four components. Initially they have what? Four components. Okay, selenium IDE. What is meaning of IDE? Anyone knows that? What is IDE? What is the meaning of IDE?
Integrated development environment.
Yes, integrated development environment. Good. Yes, initially when they 2004, right, 2004, right, in that what they will started, one guy is started with the selenium IDE. What is called IDE? IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. Okay, what it will do? So IDE is nothing but it's a record and play. So no need to write any script, you just record, you can just record the things and you can play that one. Okay, IDE stands for what? Integrated Development Environment, which is, what is that? Which is the plugin. Plugin means what? I will show you. We need to add a lot of plugins, right? You already know what is plugin. We can add to the browser directly to the plugins, right? So IDE stands for what? Integrated Development Environment, which is a plugin for the web browsers and Firefox. Okay, it allows, what is IDE do? It allows us to record and play the script. I don't know any language. I don't know Java, I don't know Python, I don't know .NET, I don't know C Sharp. .NET will come on C Sharp only. I don't know PHP. Then how I need to automate? In that case, I can go with what? IDE. Initially they start with Selenium with IDE. IDE is nothing but it's a integrated development environment, which is the plugin for the web browsers. It is allows to record and play. You can, suppose you want to record the script, means you can go with IDE. This is the earliest framework, therefore the developer need to switch to RC. RC means what? Remote control. For advanced testing cases, like test cases, we can use with the RC. Let's see, before we start, what is IDE. Okay, what is IDE we will see. Okay, not required now, but at least you can see what is IDE plugin. Okay, just okay, whatever it may be. Okay, so IDE will be there. You just click this one, automatically it will navigate it to plugin. Okay, see, if you remove this one, I already added, right? That's the reason it is asking remove from the Chrome. For you, it will ask add. Simply you can add this one. Okay, you can see all these things, like how we can record the things. All your test cases will come here. Okay, all your test case. Initially you are very new from the Selenium, what exactly it is happening, you don't know anything. In that case, what you need to do, at least one time you need to check what is happening with the IDE. Initially stage, what they introduce, IDE they introduce, integrated development environment. Let's see how we will work with IDE. Okay, see, once you add it into your plugin, you will see that IDE. Okay, Selenium IDE. So you need to open that IDE. See, it is asking record a new test in a new project or create a new project. So I want to go with create a new project. Okay, just you can give any project name, ABC. Okay, click OK. Okay, now see, it's what? Playback base URL. You need to provide the URL. Okay, you what website you want to record, you just play the, you need to give the URL here. Okay, just open any website. Do not take heavy websites. Okay, lightweight website you can take. See, this is what it's with the HTML. Some people are taking Amazon and all the thing. First of all, understand the concept. After that, you can play with anything. Okay, but do not take big websites. Okay, now I want to record what? Selenium, right? So here, if you observe this one, start recording, Control plus U. See, start recording. Suppose if I want to automate that website, I need to click what? Start recording. Okay, see, now I'm using with what? IDE. See, and now I'm clicking what? IDE. See, automatically the browser will be launched. Now I'm doing what? Maximize. Now what I'm doing, I'm clicking download. Wait for the some time. See, let it download. Okay, see, documentation. I'm clicking what? Project. I'm clicking what? Support. Okay, I'm clicking what? Blog. Now my task is done. So what you need to do, go and stop this execution, stop the recording. So it is asking, what can you give me any test case name? So you can give a test case demo 1. Okay, whatever it may be. Okay, demo. Click OK. Now see what is happening here. If you observe this one, what we are doing, what action we are doing, click, 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 everything we are doing, what? Click. So whenever you are clicking anything, we need to use the command is what? Click. Open. See, whenever the website is there, right, we are using what? Command is what? Open. So if you don't know any coding language, or if you don't know any scripting language, At least how it is works, you need to check with IDE. What is happening here? We are clicking all the links. Okay, we are clicking with what? All the links. Now if you want to execute this one, just run the current test. See, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. See, automatically it will click. See, everything will be done with the automation. Do I need to write any script here? I'm not doing anything in manual here. Just I am clicking what I'm writing the script and just running this one. How many times you want, you that times you can play with this one. See how it is happening, all the things. Okay, here what we are doing, record and playing, record and play, record and play. Suppose if I want to customize this one, I don't want to click this one, I want to do some other things, so it's not possible. So that's the reason they will come up with what? RC is nothing but a remote control. Okay, so is it clear, right? So generally we need to record and play is very, very important. See why I'm telling all these things. Now people are moving slowly, they're fed up with writing the scripts and all the things. In Java we are writing 10 lines code, means in Python 1 line we are writing. In Tosca now market is what, in mostly the people are mostly using with the Tosca is what you just no need to write any code, simply you need to handle with the object and properties. Okay, that is what record and play only. But at least you need to know how to record the script and how to execute the script. If you don't know how to run the script and how to execute the thing, then it's very difficult, right? So at least you need to have an idea about the tools. Okay, then only you can survive in the market, otherwise it's very tough. It's not easy, guys. Manual means what, we can easily can get into, but when you are talking about automation, every day at least 20 minutes you need to do a practice. No doubt, if you are not doing any practice, you will not get the job. Very seriously I'm telling. And one more thing is what, more and more concentrate on what, Java. 50% they will ask you all the questions on where, Java only, co Java, not advanced Java. Okay, again, don't start with advanced Java, not required. What you learn is very clear, that is very, very important. Interview definitely they will ask you what, co Java related things. Okay, Uday, can you put mute? If you have any questions, let me know.
Yeah, I have a question. That's why
Yeah, just tell me.
the stream was recorded to Java or Python.
This is the what you are asking, this one you are asking.
No. I'm asking that Selenium is with Selenium with Java or Selenium with Python.
The Selenium with Java only. We are going with Java only. We are not going with Python.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, no issues. Okay, see, there is not a big deal in this here. If you go with, that is what I want to tell you. Again, RC, just what is RC? RC will comes on what, remote control, right? What is just now we are saying that RC stand for remote control, which allows the tool to develop the code their preferred language. That's the reason most of the people are preferred what, Selenium. Why means it is the open source and it is what, remote control, like means what, we can support with multiple languages. Okay, multiple languages, right? So suppose if you want to go with Java, you can go with Java. If you want to learn with C#, you can go with C#. Suppose you want to learn with Python, you can go with the Python. Okay, and see, not required to learn all the things. Now he is asking, right, do I need to Python and all the things? Okay, see, the same script will be the same format will be there, only the syntax will be changed. Okay, so no one cannot learn all the languages, right? You cannot learn all the languages. You cannot learn Java, Python, C#, Ruby and all the things. It's not possible, right? So in that case, what we can do is you can learn, you are in good in one language means other languages are very easy. No need to learn all the things. Okay, because the same code will be there, but syntax will be changed. What is that? Syntax will be changed. the syntax means what? In Selenium we are writing in one way, in Python we are writing in the some other way. Okay, so that is very very important. No need to learn all the things. It's not possible to learn all the things, right? It's not be work out. Okay, so one language, you are strong in one language, suppose you are in good in Java, that is enough. Because in case they ask you write the things in Python, means you just go with C. Best example I want to show you, this is what Java. In the Java we are writing what? Driver dot title. Okay, so in Java we'll see what we are writing, method we are using, driver dot get title. Okay, get the browser information. Now in Python how we are writing? Driver dot title. So this is only a difference. Okay, and C sharp, in C sharp what we are writing? Driver dot t should be capital and semicolon will be there. If you observe this one, in Python there is no semicolon. Okay, in Java what we are doing? Get title. So this is what the title of method. Okay, so Java, Python, C sharp, in the and Ruby we are writing like this, and JavaScript and Catalan. So what is my intention is what? No need to learn all the things. If you learn all the things, we become a mad. Definitely will become a mad, because Java, Python, C sharp, Ruby, JavaScript, and not required all the languages. You are in good in one language, either Java, either Python, either C sharp, or either Ruby. But you should be strong in one language, very strong in that one language. Why people are going with Java means most of the projects, most million projects with Java only. Java will never end. If you see that lot of projects now, microservices and everything, APIs, whatever it may be, most of the projects will build on what? In Java only. Python, see, now people are saying that AI, data and data science, uh, see, if you know all the things, then only you can move to that tool. Okay, no, that's a wrong assumption. The people are saying that if I learn Python I will become a data science. It's not easy to become a data science. Understanding, right? There are a lot of things will be there, R programming and all the things. If you learn all the things, then only you become a data scientist. People are saying that 3000 market, who will teach the 3000 in data science? If you see the market, 8000, 6000, 4000, it's not, it's a what, it's a kind of business only. Okay, no one will tell you. If you want to learn data science, AI, artificial intelligence and all the things, at least 40,000 will be the course fees. And it's not be like 1 or 2 months, it will be like a 3 months course or a 4 months or 6 months course will be there. Understanding, right? Only you are reading the definitions and you are writing one execution, one command, I'm done with my data science, I want to start with your work, means no, it won't be work out. This is what reality, I'm telling about reality. Okay, no one will teach you 3000, 4000, 5000 data science and all the things. And it is not only one tool. Okay, only one tool I can gain all the things, means it's not possible. You need to learn R programming and all the things. Okay, lot of tools will be there. So here also you cannot learn all the languages, but you should good in one language. Suppose you are in very good in Java, means other things are very easy. Suppose they ask you to write in Python, you simply Google it and you will get this one, you can add it. Okay, C sharp, you can go with the C sharp. Okay, but US people mostly use Ruby and all the things, but here we mostly use Java. 90% of projects all will be in Java. Python will be there. Now market will see, now market will be down, but previous years Python everyone say the Python, but Python hardly you will sit with 20 days or 30 days you can finish with the Python. It's not a big deal. Okay, is it clear? So RC here, what are the components? What are the 4 components? IDE, we know, right? What is IDE? IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. What we can do with IDE? In IDE, by using of IDE, we can record and you can play the things. Okay, you can record the website and you can play the things. Okay, what is RC? Remote control. It is, see, Selenium is not only supported one language, we can use your preferable language. Okay, suppose you are in good in Java, you can go with Java. No, I'm very good in Python, then you can start with Python. No, I will very good in C sharp, you can go with C sharp. If you are good in Ruby, you can go. But my suggestion is what? whatever you learn, you should be strong in that one area, only one area. But because you cannot learn all the things, it's not possible. If again, once you get into the job, right, suppose think that you are learn with Selenium with Java, but in your organization they start with C#. Okay, don't panic. So they will give you KT. They will give you KT means what, you know, right? What is called KT? Knowledge transfer. They will provide each and everything. You hardly you need to prepare 1 week or 2 weeks of that. You can continue with your work. Okay, now you can become a C# with Selenium. Okay, so don't put a lot of questions in your mind. Okay, whether I need to learn all the things. What you learn very correctly and learn very few. You 100% you need to learn in one area, then other areas is very easy. Okay, now Selenium WebDriver, see, this is very important. Now entire the session we will go with Selenium WebDriver. What is Selenium WebDrivers? The Selenium automates and control activities performed by the web browser. What are the activities we are doing? Like, say, suppose I'm opening the site, right? What are the activities I'm doing? I'm clicking the download, I'm clicking the documentation, I'm clicking that projects. So what are the activities we done in this browser? Everything we handle with what? Selenium with WebDriver. See, I'm scrolling down, scrolling up, and putting the cursor here. So putting the cursor here, all activities we can work with what? With the Selenium WebDriver. Okay, Nageshwar, can you put mute if you don't mind? Okay, so this is very important, guys. Completely we are using what? A WebDriver. So you need to have a lot of concentrate on here. So WebDriver means what? Selenium automates and controls the activities performed by the web browsers. What activities we done in the browser? Select the checkboxes, select the radio buttons, and selecting the drop downs and drag and drop, and we are using some keywords. All will be was in where? With the handle with the Selenium WebDriver. It has been implemented through the browser specific driver. See, this is interview question. For every browser there is a specific driver will be there. For a Chrome, we have a Chrome driver will be there. For Firefox, we can call it as a Gecko driver. For Edge Chrome, Edge driver will be there. So Selenium there will be implemented with browser specific driver. Okay, so you cannot, you are calling with the Chrome driver, you cannot work with the Firefox driver, it won't allow. Understanding, right? So you are calling with what? Gecko driver. Now we are working with Chrome browser, means it won't work. So it has been implemented throughout a browser specific driver. Each browser they have their own driver will be there. Chrome driver will be there. For Firefox we can call it as a Gecko driver. For IE we can call it as IE driver, and Safari we call it as a Safari driver. Okay, so before you start automation, you need to think what browser I need to call. Suppose I'm working with Chrome driver, so you need to call with what? Chrome driver first. After that you need to work with all the things in Chrome driver only. Okay, but you are calling Chrome driver and you are using different website and you are doing inspect the different things, means it won't work. Okay, so make sure that most of the people will confuse here. So it is very important. It has implemented through the browser specific driver. Okay, and Selenium communicates to the browser. So how it will communicate? The Selenium communicates with the browser to control its functions. RC supports like Java. If suppose you are writing the Java, it will support with the Java. C# with the C#, or Python means Python, or Ruby means Ruby, or different one. Okay, what are the language? But most of the organization, I told you, right, they will use what? Java. Okay, or Python. Okay, whatever it may be, it depends on your organization. Okay, but concept will be the same. Click is anywhere click only. In Python there is Python click is not be there. In Java there is no Java click. Click is anywhere click only. Send key means anywhere send key only. In Python also we write send key, and in Java also we write the send key, but syntax will be changed. That is what we just now we saw, right? Get title is common for anywhere. Get title is what, but syntax one in Java we are writing as a method. In Python we are not writing as a method, we are putting with semicolon with the end of the statement. Like the syntax will be changed, okay? uh, but functionality will be the same. So what is grid? So this is also one of the important one, but it is most expensive, and it is what nowadays no one will use this one. What is the Selenium grid? The Selenium grid is used to execute parallel test with the RC. Suppose the same test case you want to work with the different languages, multiple browsers. In that case we use what grid. See, run the server test with the same time with the different missions, with the different operating system. Same the script I want to execute in Mac, I want to execute in Windows. The same script I want to execute in Firefox and Chrome and Edge Chrome and IE. So in that case, what we can use a grid, but any environment should be set up. That is very tough. Environment means what? You need to prepare that setup, you need to make a server, and you need to give the setup. Server should be on. So we don't have that much of time nowadays, okay? So mostly we use entire the things is what? WebDriver only. So if you go with any interviews, they won't ask much more on grid and all the things. Mostly they will ask you all the questions in WebDriver only. If you are good, how to work with checkboxes, how to work with the drop downs, how to work with the frames, how to work with uh, scroll up and scroll down, how to select the dynamic drop downs. So these all are very important. Now the category in what, if you want to go with the fresher level, suppose I want to go with fresher level, 2 years manual, 1 year Selenium, then you need to have more concentrated on the things like elements, how we need to identify the elements and all the things, okay? But who are going with 3 years, more than 3 years, you need to have a concentrate on framework. Framework is very important. Framework is nothing but, you know, right, everything will be combined, like screenshots, documentations, everything will be make it as a framework, okay? Don't worry, the framework is already designed on your organization. I don't think that you are not like architect level, okay? So if you have 10 years of experience, then you can go with framework architect level, okay? We are not go with that much level, okay? We are just using the existing framework. At least you need to understand the existing functionality, existing framework. You cannot blindly copy and the paste. Please guys, do not do that one. Copy paste is very easy, but at that moment you can easily survey, oh, it will give more happy on that time. But in case someone is asked you implemented with your own means, then you will be in the trouble. So don't do that one. All the code is available in the Google. Again and again I'm telling, don't worry about the code, don't worry about the script and all the things. Every script is available in the Google. So that, no, don't worry about the code, but try to understand the how I need to automate the functionality, how I need to use that code. I already have the code, but I don't know how to use that one. So you need to work with how I need to use that code. Already code is available in the Google, right? I cannot copy and paste, but see that functionality and understanding that the code and understanding the script, and you can change it according to you, okay? Your script, that is very important. Most of the people, what they will do, they will simply copy the code and paste the things. I'm done. Okay, it's well and good, but in interview they will give you white page. They won't give a system, they won't give anything. They will give you pure white page they will give you, and they ask you to write a code how to launch the browser. In that case, your brain will not be activated, because you already copy and pasted that one. That moment only it was active, because you never practice anywhere, you never write any notes, you never do it with your own. You just Google the code and paste, and you executed that one. So you in interview, you will put a blank face. Suppose you are practicing with your own, whatever it may be, you can copy. I'm not saying do not copy. In this world, everyone will be copy the code only. No one will write their own. Okay, don't think that everyone will be write their own code. No, that's not be possible. They have some, they will search the Google, they will have some code and they will copy and they will implement it according to their requirement. Okay, so while doing the practice, at least you need to understand what I'm writing the script and how I'm writing the script, each and everything you need to understand. At least you need to write at least one time on your notebook or anywhere, because interview, I'm telling about interview point of view, because tomorrow I refer you without knowing of any knowledge also, I can refer you. But they ask you write any program, means if you are not able to write the program there, if you're not able to write any script there, you are telling the script but you are not able to write the script. That is the problem. Most of the interview, even I am on the interview panel, if I ask what is Selenium means, he will start, Selenium is open source and it is that is not commercial. Selenium has more advantages and more disadvantages. Selenium is only, they will continuously they speak. Then I will ask to hold on, can you write any program on this paper? Then they will stop, because they're lacking of practice. Okay, so what my intention is, what you need to do a lot of practice, minimum 20 minutes. I'm not giving more than 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours, only 20 minutes or 15 minutes in a day. At least you need to do a lot of practice on the things, then only you can attend the interviews. Otherwise it's very tough. Don't think that it's very easy. It's very tough, because you need to automate the things. Okay, Udemy, we are getting 200 only course, we can buy it and we can learn it, means that's a different story. Whatever you want, you can buy, you can buy the videos or you can do the things, but you need to do some practice. Without practicing, it won't come. By seeing the code, it's very easy only, but implementation is very tough. Okay, so don't scared and don't fear about the things. Very very easy. Once you habituated, right, you like anything. Okay, very 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 easy. Okay, but whatever you are doing, please put and concentrated on that, and you at least executed that on your system. Most of the people, I'm working with mobiles, no data is not there. These are reasons. If you tell the reasons for that, I cannot answer it. For me, my laptop is not there, my friend laptop I'm using. These all are what college days. We are professionals, understanding, right? Don't tell the reason. Okay, first, what is the first thing is what we are telling the reason only. I'm using mobile data, I'm using this, I'm using that, I'm using this. Don't tell the reasons, guys. Tell the solution. Whatever it may be, you use data mobile or whatever it may be, but tell the solution. But don't tell the problems. Everybody have their own problems. Most of the interviews, they will tell all the problems. No one will listen your problems. No one will tell you, no one will care with your problems. I'm seriously, I'm telling. Okay, so whatever you are doing, that you need to do very heartfully, you need to do, and you need to do some practice. Without practicing, you will not get the job. Very seriously, I'm telling. You need to learn Java, you need to learn automation, and every day you need to do some practice. Then only you can get into the job. Otherwise it's very tough. Okay, so this is what WebDriver. So we need to tell that four components, what are there: IDE, RC, and WebDriver and grid. Okay, again, advantages of Selenium. This is interview question, like a fresher level question. Okay, what is advantages of Selenium? So just now we discussed, right, that the Selenium is what open source. There is no license cost for it to use, right? No need to buy any license for this one. Selenium IDE components provide access Selenium suite to record and playback features, in which non-programming automation script can also be used, right? So I don't know Python, I don't know Ruby. In that case, what I can do, I can record and play, and I can convert it into that code into a preferable language. Okay, So but this is some disadvantages will be there. We cannot customize the according to that. Okay. uh, Again, Selenium Grid helps to parallel execution and distribution testing. I told you, right? Selenium Grid, we need to execute the script in different missions and different operating systems and different browsers. In that case, we can use what grid. And most widely used the programming language, preferable languages. Okay, it's not be a one language, right? So you can, if you are good in Java, you can use the Selenium with Java. If you are good in C Sharp, you can use with C Sharp. If you are good in Ruby, you can use that. It supports popular browsers, like it support all major popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera, and Safari, and all the things. Edge Chrome, now the people are using what Edge Chrome. There is no IE. There is they stopped IE also, so we are never see IE now. Okay, we'll see what Edge Chrome only. Okay, so these are the advantages. And coming to the disadvantages, see, disadvantage is very, very important. What is the limitations of Selenium? Yes, Selenium only supports web-based application. See, try to understand what is Windows and what is web-based application. Windows means what? Installation .exe, executable files, right? Exe files. So that will not Windows application. A local area network, within that, or within that organization, we have some Windows applications, right? So that we cannot work with Selenium. Okay, so try to understand. Only one point you need to understand is what simply Selenium is only supports with what web-based application. Web-based application. See, again, mobile apps cannot be tested by using of Selenium. See, again, nowadays everyone is using mobile and all the things, right? So again, we cannot use with the Selenium. So Appium, with the Selenium family only, there is an Appium will be there. With that, we can use the mobile apps, mobile testing and all the things. But using the Selenium, we cannot test with the mobiles. Okay, so that is very, very important. And one more thing is what see, cannot test capture and barcode. See, this is very disadvantage, right? So nowadays, authentication like OTP number, capture images, that we cannot do with the automation. It cannot test the capture and barcodes. Barcodes means for the product, we have some barcodes, right? For every product, a unique ID number will be there. So unique ID number that will comes on what in the barcode, right? Barcode will be there for everything. So that kind of barcodes we cannot use that one. Okay, we cannot automate that one. There are a lot of challenges will be there. Don't think that it's very easy. Okay, there are a lot of challenges will be there. When you know the challenges, if you practice, if you work on that tool, then you know what are the challenges in that. My friend got a job, I'm also looking, means that is I cannot say for that one. Okay, might be your friend work hard, or might be he put a lot of effect and all the things. Okay, but do not say my friend got job, did I get the job, means I don't have any answer for that one. You need to think. Okay, my friend got so that the reason I'm learning, means no, it's not been like that. Okay, you need to practice at least 20 minutes or 30 minutes you need to practice. Okay, and reports can only prepare by using the third party tools. See, in by using of Selenium, we cannot execute with the report format. Okay, we always depend on third party tools like TestNG. We need to use TestNG to execute the reports and extend reports, JUnit reports. So Selenium output will always comes on console, you know, right? Console, and the bottom of the script, you can, once you execute it, you will see that output in the console only, not in the report format. Okay, so that is mainly disadvantage. So that's the reason we need to use always TestNG we use. Selenium is a free tool, we know, right? Thus there is no ready vendor support. Suppose your software is not installed properly, or your tool is not working properly, means you cannot call to anyone. We cannot call to any support centers, right? Because it's a free tool. So it is a what free tool. So we cannot work on we cannot call to a vendor support. There is no vendor support. We need to always help for the communities. There are a lot of plenty communities will be there. You have any problem, do not sit idle. What problem you are getting, just copy that error code and paste into the Google. Automatically the solution will come. Same issue will face it by someone else, right? So they will give you some solution in the internet. So they will, if you search the same issue, right, they will provide some answers. So you need to read and you need to execute the same way, then it will be works with you also. Okay, but cannot sit idle. Oh, let's see tomorrow, let's see tomorrow, let's see tomorrow, then all the days will be gone and no one will help you. Don't think that someone will come and someone will write your code, someone will help you. Always you need to work as an independent. If no one will be there, I am only one person, I need to work, means you need to work with alone. Do not think that someone will come, that someone will help the things, means no, it's not possible. In the real time no one will be there. I'm just telling, in the real time we as work as a team, don't worry, in the real time we will help each other. But I'm telling the situation, sometimes no one will be help out us. So in that case we cannot sit idle, we need to work with us. Okay, so you need to work with your own only. Okay, uh, and the user expected key programming knowledge. See here, key programming knowledge, at least you need to know. Without programming knowledge also we can learn blindly, mug up the things. We can learn, I can tell you, without programming knowledge. Simply every day we are doing the same thing, right? What you can do every day, you will understand somewhat and you can work out. But key programming knowledge is very very important, because interview mostly they will ask you Java related questions only. Most of the core Java related, core Java, what is the string, how we will work with the strings, what is string buffer. So these all are very 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 important. Okay, so that's the reason you need to have some programming knowledge. Again, don't worry here, don't think that I don't know any programming knowledge, I'm 0% in the programming. Yes, well and good, but core Java means what? Basics. Only basics is required, not all the things. Okay, and not required. You're expert in programming means no need to learn Selenium. You can go with the Java developer. Okay. What is my intention is what you need to learn the basics only, not expert level. Now your Java out of 10, your 9 means not required to learn Selenium. You can go with the developer position. So we not required out of 10, we not required, at least 5 or 6 is the good enough. 6, at least 6 is fair enough. Understanding, right? Out of 10 I'm Java developer means then you can become a Java developer. So not required for all the things, at least basic things. What is string, what is method, at least what is the object, how we are calling the class. So at least you need to know what is if for loop condition, while loop condition, basics. These all are very very basic level. Okay, and many challenges with IE browsers. So you cannot expect like one browser is working fine, right? Second browser is also working fine. You cannot think like that. We have a lot of challenges will be there. We need to check with that also. Okay, so what we can do is tomorrow we can go with installation process. So installation process is very very important. We'll see how it will be works. Okay, see, browser support, Selenium WebDriver browser support means Edge, Chrome, Firefox, Chrome, Opera, and HTML unit and Internet Explorer. These all are what? Browsers. Okay, and operating systems, we can work with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux also we can work. Okay, I told you, right? So if you go with this site, you can have more and more information in what browsers we can work, and everything will be provided here. See here, Selenium Grid. Okay, what are the languages, browsers? See, suppose you want to see the previous releases when it was started. I started at latest one is what 4.1.0. Okay, this is what latest one. Okay, but don't download the latest one. At least you need to understand the previous one, then only you can get the things easy. See, 2.390 it started. Now what is the latest one is what? Selenium latest version is what? 4.1.0. It's, you need to check whether this is stable or not. Okay, these are the beta versions. Yeah, we discussed in the manual classes, right? What is beta version? And RC, this is what release build RC1. Some issues will come again, they fixed in where RC2. Again some issues will come there, again they will go with RC3. RC3 is release candidate, again they fixed it, and they will got final release. Final release is what? Stable release. Stable means what? Constant. Okay, we can work on 401. And now they will come up with a new functionality, new features. They will come up with 4.10. In the real time, I told you right, in manual, they will come up with releases like this. See, they will initially they start with 2.390. They will added new features and 2.40. Again, they will come up with the previous fixes like that. It never be end. They will come up with new features, new enhancements, and they will come up with the latest one. Okay, but you need to understand what is the differences in 4.10 and 3.0. So you need to understand that things. Okay, and what are the browsers, right? We are see, if your operating system, if you see the browser, suppose I told you, right, WebDriver has their own specific drivers. Okay, you need to download all the, suppose I want to work with Chrome, so you need to download the Chrome. If you work with IE, Edge Chrome, you need to download Opera, Safari, IE. So you need to download all the things. Operating systems, what operating systems it will be support? So my Windows, Mac, and Linux. All the information on this site, guys. Suppose if you want to learn more and more and things means you can go with this one, and you have, but we don't have that much of time, right? So don't worry, simply understand the things, what languages it support, what browsers it will be support, what operating system it supports. At least you have an knowledge purpose. No one will ask you these questions, but it is the knowledge purpose. Okay, so tomorrow what we can do, installation things. Okay, one more thing we will discuss tomorrow. Editor is required, where I need to write the code. That is very, very important. Right now I know what is Selenium. Selenium is what automates the web browsers. Simple one line answer. What is Selenium means? It will automates the web browsers means I can automate Chrome, I can automate anything. Okay, what are the activities are performed in that browser, I can do the automation, I can write the script. So you can answer like that. Okay, and what is the components for Selenium? There are four components. Okay, IE, RC, WebDriver, and Grid. And what are the operating systems? We know, right? Windows, Mac, and Linux. And what are the browsers it supports? It will support all major browsers like a Chrome, Firefox, and IE, and Safari, and Opera. Okay. Now, editor means what? Where I need to write the script. So there is a Eclipse will be there. We need to install the Eclipse, and we need to write the code in the Eclipse. Okay, we'll see tomorrow how we need to install Java and Eclipse. We'll see tomorrow. And now you have any question, guys? Anybody have any questions?
For captcha and barcode, we are unable to automate using Selenium, but how can we proceed, sir? If we have captcha and barcode,
Yeah,
suppose
yes, that is
the
what say. Yeah, that is what that's a good question. See, before your project manager, your lead, they will check with what kind of things we can automate. They will come up with the plan. They won't in between. Already we travel off of the things, and suddenly we got image, and we cannot stop the things, right? All the time is gone, right? Wasted, right? So before we start automation, they will come up with the plan. So they will come up what we can automate it and what we cannot automate it. In case the object will be there, like barcodes and will be there, then they will skip that part. Understanding, right? Is it clear?
yes. Suppose
Yeah.
if it is mandatory to automate captcha and barcode, then what we do, sir?
Then we can go for the other tool. Not, we are not use Selenium.
Third party tool.
Yeah, definitely, right? If your client is say that it is mandatory, I want definitely I want that one means, then definitely you require that one, right? The client will pay that one. That we will tell to the client this is not possible with this tool. Then they will come up the estimation. There is a big process. See, in organization point, if you talk, we need to tell them why it is required, why it is not required. If you say that it is required, and now you are a client, you are my client, now you say that it is required to automate the thing, then we will give the solution for that one. In Selenium, we are not doing, we are not possible this one, so we can go with other tool. If your client is agrees, then we can go with other tools.
Okay, sir, what are the tools we can use, sir, for captcha and barcode? Other tools?
So there are many tools will be there in the commercial. There will many tools will be there. Tosca, different tools will be there. You can use any tool, but they all are commercial.
Okay, sir. But that other tools code, can we use it in Selenium, sir?
No, we can see there are plugins, like you can add the plugins or you can add into the services. But if you want to go with, that is what I'm telling. Your project is belonging with all images and all the capture barcode, then they will not put, they will not take this tool, right? They will come up with a different tool. Okay, they will come up with a different plan. Okay, I told you right initially, when we will do the automation means regression time. So repeatedly I want to test this thing. Okay, already yesterday we got a build, but some changes is happen on that build. Manually how much time it will take to open that build and open the URL, and I need to check cross browsing. What is cross browsing? You need to check in all the browsers, Chrome, Firefox and IE. That it will take a lot of time, right? Every time you need to open the browser and enter the URL and click and you need to do all the things, so it will take a lot of time. So in that case we use automation there, regression kind of things.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good. And Cucumber framework will be converted into this course. Yes, see, Cucumber we will tell you like 1 or 2 sessions how we will work, but the Cucumber is completely a different one again. But the same thing, okay, what we are learning here, we are implemented the same thing. We have 1 or 2 sessions with the Cucumber. Okay, what is runner file, what is the step definition, how we can execute with the things. We will discuss with the Cucumber also. Okay.
Sir, are you going to cover core Java, sir?
That is what I want to tell you. See here, I don't want to cover with anything in the Java related things, because it's not possible like 15 days Java, 15 days automation. So my suggestion is what, for everyone, better you start CoJava from your own, because what will happen, most of the people are say that covering with Java also. What they will tell you, Java within 5 to 6, 7 days, they will tell in the overhead, like they will tell on the top of the things, the top of the layer, but that is not be work in interview. If you want really selected the interview means, you definitely you need to join CoJava. I don't want to learn join any CoJava means, there are plenty of videos with DurgaSoft. They will have a plenty of videos from end to end, videos will be there. If you watch out that videos for every day, that's it's fine. But I can tell you what is the Selenium related things I will teach in the class, but I'm not taking separate like Java classes. Most of the people, they will put 15 days Java, 15 days automation. It's not be workout. It's very fine, it's very clear. uh, I can teach within 10 days Java, object, string, variable, methods, and all the things. That's not be a good enough. If you want to go for the interview, you need to be strong with the CoJava. Definitely they will ask you write any program with a string or any even numbers or any odd numbers. So you are ready to write any program. Okay, is it clear?
Hello. Hello,
Yeah,
hello, sir.
yeah, go ahead.
Fresher student can go with Selenium.
Yeah, you can always, they will welcome to you, they will give you a red carpet,
Okay. I have
because
some Java knowledge, but
huh, they will definitely, you can start.
okay, okay,
Go ahead. See, uh, there is no fresher or experience. Is what experience guys is having, what more knowledge on the product and more knowledge on the framework and all the things. Suppose your experience, you are a fresher level, but you know the concept of automation and all that, then definitely
yeah,
they
yeah.
will and they will train you also.
Okay.
So do we need manual testing, hands-on knowledge, practical knowledge? I mean,
Yeah,
for learning
definitely.
automation.
Yes, yes. See, uh, definitely you need required a manual concept, because no one will give you immediately to do an automation. Tomorrow, suppose you got a job, so they won't ask write code immediately. At least you need to check how it is working, and whether it is working correctly or not, whether it is giving correct input or not. At least you need to check manual, right? At least whether it is working with properly with or not. After that only we will go with automation. That is what I'm telling. When we will do the automation, if you get at that idea, automation is done. When we will do the automation, manually it is working fine, but repeatedly I want to test that's the same component. In that case only I will go with automation. So manual is very, very important. So at least you need to test negative testing, positive testing, and everything is fine. The output is getting correctly and everything is getting correctly. At least one time you need to check manually, because manually it is failing. What is the use of writing script there? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? You know it is failing, but what is the use of doing automation there? You know, if you do the automation also, the same result will come, right? It is failed. You are spending a lot of time, you are writing the script and you are executing the things, and you are telling the last answer is what failing. In manual only we can know that it is, if I click that one, it is not working. Then what is the use of automation do there? So when we will do the automation means repeatedly I want to test the same thing. So already it is done, repeatedly I want to check one more time, because yesterday some code was changed. So in that case I would need to use what automation there. Is it clear? Are you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good, good.
Sir, course time, same time, or will it change in
No,
future,
no, no,
sir?
same time, the 7 to 8. Yes, something like.
Duration of course 40 days, sir.
No, it's around, it depends on that, the 30, max 30 to 40. See, if you are more interested and you are doing well, good, every day we are doing good means we can extend 40 or 50 also. But the people are what, they will come up with, they will drive up to somewhat, and they will think that it is very tough and they leave that boards. It's not be like that. It depends. Max is 30 to 40 days. Yes, 40 days we can finish now.
Okay, sir. Sir, end of the course, are you going to cover any projects, sir? Sample project,
Sample
entire like frameworks and everything.
yeah, we will go
Cover
with the
project.
yeah, we will go with page objective model and Maven and GitHub and Jenkins. We will cover all these things. See, project means what? See, again, project means what? Every day we are learning one part, right? The entire coming to the last sessions or what we can, you can plan according to that. You can plan everything and you can do your own. That will comes on a project way. But I cannot spend more time on the projects. Project is means what, again, end to end we need to implementation, so it will take a lot of time, at least 2 weeks of time it will be taken. Okay, so in that case what you can do is what every day we are telling concept, right? How to handle radio buttons, you know, how to handle the drop downs, you know, how to handle the frames, you know, how to scroll up and scroll down, you know, how to handle the keyboards, you know, everything, you know. Then finally you can take any project and you can implement it. With that we will tell you how to work with the Maven, how to work with the page object, and how to work with the test ng. So these three are very, very important. So either you can implement it with the test ng, or either you can implement it with the Maven or page object model. Okay, we'll give you complete structure.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
That structure is very, very important.
And sir,
Yeah, go ahead.
and sir, what type of study material provided by you?
Study material every day. See, one person need to share your screen and you need to do on your laptop only. I can do in my laptop, but the session is always like more what we can say that more interactable sessions. So you need to share your screen and all the code will be sent to you. What is done the particular day, that day videos along that material we will send. Do not expect material means like 20 pages or 30 pages. What is that on the session? That material only we will send you. Okay, if you want material, you will search in the Google, lot of material will come. Okay, clear?
Sir, videos, is there any validity, sir? 6 months till 1 year?
No. I think you can contact with the front office. See, video, they won't delete anything because they will maintain some things, right? You can ask with front office, okay, because that will not handle for me. You can talk with the front office, they will give you more information on that,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
but they won't delete. You can use it. Anybody have any questions? But be strong, guys. Communication is very, very important. Whatever I told you, right? You are good in automation, you are good in manual, but your communication is not good, then it's very tough. Mostly in testing, they will check about communication only. What is, tell me about yourself, what is your roles and responsibilities. So this is very, very important. And someone is asking manual classes. Yeah, manual is already testing will be covered. Manually we done TestNG, right? I'm sorry. Yes, TestNG we need to cover because TestNG is very, very important. There are 5 methods. There are 6 methods. In the 6 methods, I want to execute only one method. In that case, there are TestNG is very, very important. We need to use reporting tools and all the things by using of TestNG. Shekhar.
Do you cover the live projects?
No, see who no one. That is what as a you need to understand who will give you a live project. No one will give you live project in this anywhere. You can go if you pay 1 lakh or 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs also, no one will provide live project. What is live project? Live is means my organization project I cannot show you, right? So it's not possible. Live means what? Live examples, what we will do, what we will do in the real time, that we will explain you. Okay,
At least
but
you should provide the demos like that.
yeah, that we can provide, that the sites and all the things what we can, but live means what? We cannot give our own projects. Okay, we will tell you every day we need some website to work on that applications, right? We can give the reference sites and all the things, we can work out on that.
No, that's fine.
Yeah, that's because no, I'm telling why I'm telling. In the market, the people are making like a lot of things, giving live projects like this and that, but it's not be possible. Okay, try to understand what I'm trying to say, because
Yeah, of course. I know that.
yeah, good. That's very, very important. Once see, take any project, take any application. Suppose you are good in automation, then take Amazon site and take the structure of TestNG and you can implement it. Then it will become a live projects. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. But experience, if you go with experience, then you can tell them anything. They won't ask what website you automated and all the things. They will ask a core functionality, how you handle the drop downs, how you handle the checkboxes. Suppose I want to count of all the links in the page. So you need to tell the concept there.
One thing, do you touch the core Java, right?
Yeah, not in depth on the top of the layer, like where we can use that only we will explain you, but there is no separate classes for CoJava. But my suggestion is what, if you are in, if you start parallelly with CoJava, you are in parallelly automation will be going on. So after 1 month we need to put a goal, February, March, at that March at any cost, you need to settle. So you need to put a goal for the March. So 1 month you cannot get immediately job. So March, so parallelly the automation is going on, and parallelly if you have a time you start with CoJava. So parallelly you will learning with Java core concepts and Selenium also, 1 hour daily. So end of the time what will happen in interview, why I'm trust you to join CoJava means, they CoJava, they will tell you more programs. They spend 1 hour time and they will explain you more programs, right? So you have only concentrated on CoJava. When you coming to the Selenium, only concentrated on the Selenium. So at the end of the day, what will happen at the end of the month? You completed CoJava, you complete the Selenium. Then you will confidence will get more. If partially you learn some Java, you don't know, partially 2 or 3 questions only you learn, you cannot attend the interviews very strongly, right? But if you learn CoJava, it's, see, learning is not wasted. Okay, if you learn CoJava, Java, you can use APIs, and anywhere if you put, I know the CoJava means there are multiple things will become in interview. Because once telling all the things. Most of the students, they're failing in Java only. They don't know any coding language, but they will say that I have 3 years of experience in Selenium, 4 years of experience in Selenium, 6 years. So you are selected in Selenium. Selenium wise, you are in good. But how I need to filter them? There are 4 or 5 people who will come in interview. Everyone is telling Selenium. Everyone is answering. Then how I need to filter them? Simply I ask, write a simple logic code, write a prime numbers, write unique numbers. In that case, they will not answer that one. So they will. So that's the reason Java is very, very important.
Okay.
So plan, that is what easily you can get into the job means. That is the way where I'm most on interview questions is what Java related on. If you are strong in Java, now one of the guys asked, right, I already know Java. So that guy is very easily to get into the job within 1 month. I'm damn challenged. I have a proof. Previous batches, minimum 3 to 4, 5 people are selected. They are not again computer science. They are irrespective of the things. Banking one guy, MBA one guy, mechanical one guy, because they put a hard work on Java part. Selenium part is very we can learn easily, but Java part is very, very important. Okay, thank you guys.
Yeah.
We are running time. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for your time. Say it's purely interaction session, guys. It's not be like I'm only one person to telling all the things. You can share your thoughts, your ideas, your plans, and I want to be a one person, not one person. Everyone need to share your screen, and you need to do on your own. So it's not be like board and the students writing the notes and all the thing. It's not be like happen like this. Any one person, today one person is sharing the screen means second day any one person, I'm not called any specific person, who are interested, they can share the screen and they start writing the coding. Okay, it's not be like I'm opening my laptop and I'm doing all things in my laptop means it won't be good. Okay, so every day we have 1.5 hour session or 1 hour session will be there. So it's free to ask the questions, talk more, discussions is more, because I told you right in interview, the first question, can you introduce yourself and tell me about your roles and responsibility? And communication is very, 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 very important. You need to speak, you need to talk. Okay, forget about the subject later also we can learn. Once you get into the organization, automatically you will learn, don't worry. Okay, but communication is very, very important. Okay, thank you guys. We'll see you tomorrow with the same time. Okay, any questions? Last call. Thank you. Chalo then, bye.
Thanks, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Right.